Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. You keep going down, then you click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on keyboard here, just click on it. So then you come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to auto capitalization. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean capitalization disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.